Now you understood?
Yes.
Yes. No, tell me. So show me your question number 2 and 3 in your camera.
Wait.
So question number 2 and 3. So question number 2 and 3. That is your homework. So just try. If you understood question number 1, then you can able to solve that question number 2 and 3. So try to solve. Okay, that is your homework.
Yes.
So that portion today we are going to finish today's our session. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
tomorrow we will meet in this platform, and thank you for very much. Thank you very much. Okay. Any question are there regarding
No.
question number 1? No question. Now
What
you
is the
understood.
here not seeing
What?
1 and 2 and 3?
So next, okay. I'm giving. Look. I'm sharing that photo. I'm sharing that photo. Look. Okay. Okay. First, let me show. Just wait. Just wait. I'm giving you that question. Okay.
Yes, you send in my WhatsApp group.
In your WhatsApp group. Actually, you can write otherwise. Okay. Just I'm writing. Then I will send you. Okay. Question number 3 or
Yes.
question number 4. Just after writing, I will send to you.
Yes.
Okay then. Okay then. Okay then. Bye.
Yes, bye.
Bye.